Hi Tribecoders, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you an easy way that you can convert Python files .py into .exe. Okay, so all I want to show you is we're gonna create a small program which is one is gonna move the mouse around the screen, and then we're gonna create a .exe that you can export it in another PCs and you can easily use. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is let's gonna import library p-auto-gui as pg import random, and that's it at the moment. Okay, now we got it on our system, but once again, like always, pip install pyinstaller. So I already got it, and also in this case something new, we're gonna install pyinstaller. Okay, that's what it will convert from py to .exe. Okay, so as you can see, I already got it, and now we're gonna create a small program, which is, for example, let's gonna use a while. So while c is less than 2, we're gonna create a for in range 10 times. So we're gonna do it 10 times, and then we're gonna use move to, which is here, and then as axis x we're gonna use random dot run int, and then my screen is 1920, so I'm gonna put from 10 to 1910, and also the axis y is going to be equal to random dot run int, and it's gonna put the same, for example, 10 to 1070. Okay, so we got that fine. So we're gonna move the mouse 10 times, but in this case, because we're gonna add an extra one, so we're gonna run it for 2. Okay, and then, for example, now we're gonna just increment 1. Okay, so we got that. Okay, so let me clean that, the terminal cls as always, and yeah, let's gonna run it. So yeah, as you can see, the mouse is moving around 20 positions. Okay, so that's fine. Now let me put that together, so it's fine. So okay, so we got any program you want to create, yeah, it has to be .py. Yeah, now we're gonna use pyinstaller on the terminal. Yeah, then we're gonna put --onefile space .w, because we don't want, every time we execute that, if you don't put this w, every time you execute this .exe, it will come up your program, but it will also appear the terminal. So in this case, I don't want to show the terminal, so that's why I'm using -w. Okay, and then very important, you need to put the name of your file exactly as you have it. Yeah, so for example, if as you can see, I got the P is capital, so you have to put it in capitals. Yeah, so prueba.py. Okay, so now we're gonna press enter, and then automatically it will convert everything we got in there as a .exe. Okay, once again, this is a really small program, it shouldn't take any longer, but if you have a really big program, it can take up to 5-10 minutes. It depends how big is your program. Okay, so as you can see, it says complete successfully, so that's good. Now so this is where I got my prueba.py. So as you can see, it has created different folders, but we need to go into distribution, yeah. And then as you can see, this file, it says prueba. If I open the properties, we can see it's a .exe, okay. We can change the name, it's exactly the same. But now if I press double click, yeah, it will execute our program, okay. So that's a way that you can obviously see how it is to convert from a .py to a .exe. And then also I want to show you, which I got it on my desktop. I download this NSIS, yeah, and then this little program is very helpful. Because as you know, we always installing things on Windows. So let's gonna do one more thing. So let's gonna create a .zip, send to compress folder, okay. So now we got exactly the same distribution with all the folders, yeah, but we just created a .zip, fine. Now if we open this NSIS, okay, as you can see, it says installer based on .zip file. So we press it here, we open our destination where we want to do, obviously it has to be .zip, yeah. It will extract all the files you got in there. We can change, for example, the name. We're gonna put it, I don't know, test, for example, yeah. So you leave that as a default, or if you want to change it where you want to put it, yeah. We're gonna click generate. We're gonna wait a little bit. Once again, it will depend how many dependencies your program has. In my case, it's really small, so it shouldn't take more than 30 or 1 minute. Yeah, as you can see, everything is fine, fantastic. We can test it, or let's gonna close it, okay. Fine, so we go here, and as you can see now, this little special icon is normally like when we download from a website and you have to install it. So we can double click now and it will automatically come up as a setup, yeah. So obviously I'm going to install it, but it won't work because we need more dependencies. But I just wanted to show you how easy it is to create like setup from a .exe. Okay, so we close that, and then now it has installed that, yeah, like a normal program. So as you can see, it's so easy to create that, to create from a py to a .exe. I just wanted to show you that because I thought that was really handy to know, and nothing else. Thank you very much for watching my videos. I hope you subscribe to my videos, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.